Hey everyone, and welcome to another TechStop video. Today we'll be looking at some amazing factory machines. Factory machines make our lives easier by producing valuable parts for vital products. Every year, innovations make these machines faster, cheaper to operate, and more efficient. In fact, practically every industry in the world relies on incredible machines working at maximum loads. Here are 10 factory machines operating at insane levels. If you see something you like, be sure to hit the like button to let us know. Number 10. SpaceX Custom Machines. SpaceX has many lofty goals. More importantly, they want to bring humans to Mars. To achieve that goal, SpaceX has designed some incredible factory machines to aid them in constructing the latest high-tech rocket ships and space capsules. Take a look at their new welding tool called the Knuckle Seamer. This machine speeds up production of fuel-holding dome tanks while also improving weld quality. This machine is like a giant zipper that lines up with the welding seams and then clamps down for a perfect fit. To ensure a perfect weld, SpaceX engineers also created a factory-grade shielded X-ray machine to inspect weld quality. Along with many other highly specialized tools, these factory machines can build an entire spacecraft in just 72 hours. Number 9. Ingersoll Custom Machines. The Illinois-based Ingersoll Machine Tools is the U.S. branch of Italian machining company Chemozi. They recently won a bid to create a new telescope that would become the world's largest ground telescope. To accomplish this monumental feat, the team behind Ingersoll has developed numerous custom-built machines to streamline the process. A combination of lathes, scalpers, rotary tables, FCT machines, multi-spindle drills, and FCR centers all help build generator rotors for moving the gigantic telescope. Along with these unique machines, Ingersoll also developed a factory machine for aircrafts that has the world's fastest titanium removal rate. The $135 million telescope, dubbed the Giant Magellan, will be fully operational in Chile by 2028. Number 8. Hennek Polyurethane Machines. Hennek produces polyurethane products for multiple industries, including mattress foam production, thanks to their J-Flex model, which is truly an impressive sight to behold. A conveyor pumps foam downward, which then expands into the central chamber. The whole process looks like a J from the side, which is where it gets its name. The total length of the machine is 12 meters, and it can produce massive blocks of continuous foam with a max length of 7 meters weighing up to 80 kilograms every single minute. The massive stock block is then cut into smaller blocks and further refined to fit mattresses or to be shipped off for specialized uses. Number 7. Nano Manufacturing Machines. These incredible machines are building materials and devices at the atomic level. Techniques like laser ablation or etching makes electronics faster and smaller, but nano manufacturing machines also have a wide array of applications, from strengthening car bumpers, creating stain-resistant clothing layers, and scratch-resistant coating. Drafting is an important step in the manufacturing process, but it's even more important for nano manufacturing, where quite literally the smallest details can impact the final product due to the insanely small scale that engineers are working with. Number 6. Droop & Rain TFS TTF Series. These amazing factory machines are massive high-speed machining centers that can build massive components for the world's best yachts. You know it's big when it comes with built-in stairs just to reach the top for maintenance. Developed by Starrag, these 6-axis machining centers are metal milling monsters. Complete with hydrostatic guideways on all linear axes, these huge machines can operate at levels up to 100 kilowatts. To top it all off, the Droop & Rain factory CNC machines come with 300 different milling heads to tackle any job you throw at it. Number 5. Stoll Machinery Can Product Machines. Stoll Machinery creates the factory machines used to make soda cans, food cans, and other types of specialty cans. There isn't just one machine that can do it all. There are multiple high-efficiency, high-output machines required for producing cans, and Stoll makes them all. Can bodies are made with cupping systems, special body makers, trimmers, washers, dryers, decorators, base coaters, pin ovens, registered embossers, shell systems, end test inspection systems, and more. Every machine is top of the line and includes a wealth of features. The cupping system alone has special guidance systems, an air cut mover that moves the soon-to-be can bodies without any mechanical parts, 2 different coil feeds and 1 sheet feed configuration, magnetic die clamping systems, and more. If you've ever wanted to see some insane operating levels, look no further than Stoll Machinery. Number 4. Aumann Winding Machines. Aumann is a worldwide leader in winding technology and wire processing. Wound wires are made to harness the interaction between magnetic fields and electric currents, and this technology is used in a variety of important devices like electric motors, sensors, generators, transformers, electromagnets, and inductors. The Alman machine lineup features linear, needle, chained, and flyer winders to tackle any winding application that manufacturers might need. Graphic-based operator guidance makes the machines intuitive to control, and machines come equipped with a built-in wire stripper, twister, and automatic loading and unloading features. The linear models are capable of performing up to 16 coils per second, so these are some seriously high-level machines. Number 3. Crayon machines. Crayons are used all around the world for art supplies that bring a little joy to people both young and old. The machines used to make crayons can vary from desk-sized all the way up to massive factory-level behemoths. To start, the paraffin base must be in liquid form so that it can mix with the color pigments and fill the molds. Because paraffin can't mix with water, pigments must be in powdered forms. The paraffin is pumped into factories from storage tanks containing up to 17,000 gallons of the liquid material. Then, giant mixing vats combine the paraffin and pigment, and the mixture gets poured into the molds. These mega molds can hold around 2,400 crayons that are ready to be boxed up in just under 7 minutes. That's some insane levels of operation. Number 2. Croy-Bilt pleating and filter machines. Croy-Bilt designs and builds machines that create air filters for all different kinds of industries. Fiberglass filter media is inserted into the machine in strips, and nozzles dispense glue along both the top and the bottom of the sheet. Then a special rotor crimps and presses the fabric together to make long, pleated sheets of top-quality filters. Segments of the longer sheets are then cut and placed onto rubber or plastic molds for sealing and fitting in their final products. These all-purpose air filters are used in a variety of products, from clothes-drying machines, cars, to home air conditioners, and more. Croy-Bilt's rotary machines can create between 300 and 500 pleats per minute, which is an insane operating capacity. They even have banding machines for circular filters that require a different approach. For banded filters, polyester support bands are outed to the outer diameter, with standard machines weighing up to 660 pounds. Number 1. Alcoa Hydraulic Press. The Alcoa press is one of the largest in the world. The 16 million pound machine is capable of delivering up to 50,000 tons of compression force to produce aluminum and titanium parts for aerospace crafts, ranging from rockets to airplanes. Located in Cleveland, Ohio, this insane factory machine has been in use almost consistently since it was made back in 1955, with the only exception being a brief downtime needed for repairs. These weren't just any repairs though, it cost over $100 million to fix cracks in this beastly machine. The Alcoa 50,000-ton press has 8 hydraulic cylinders, made from steel bolts that are 10 feet in diameter. And if that doesn't sound next level enough, the whole machine is over 6 stories tall. It's not just powerful, it's precise too. The Alcoa is accurate down to mere thousandths of an inch. This TechStop video might be over, but you better believe these next-level machines aren't stopping anytime soon. There's just something so satisfying about watching these factory machines work. Which one was your favorite? Were there any we missed? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, it helps out a lot. And make sure you subscribe to TechStop for more awesome tech videos.